We begin with our prayer. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarottam pravaram munina patanjali pranjaliranatosmi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Punaktu Sahaviryam Sarvavahe Tejasvinavati Samastu Ma Vishwahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Visualize your body and mind being surrounded by protective layers. The outer protective layer consists of 6 friendly creatures protecting you from 6 different directions. Visualize a peacock in front of you, an elephant back, a tiger on the right, a lion on the left, an eagle above you, and a black tortoise under you. The middle layer of protection consists of a ring of fire with several balls of fire around. Draw the energy from this fire to heal your body and mind. The third layer of protection comes from the stack energy of Om Shanti. Visualize the location of the chakra, number of petals in the lotus, and the color of the lotus as I mentioned. Feel the lotus rise from the base of your spine, coming out from the top of your head, the palm. Bring your attention to the Mooladhara chakra, the cervix or the anal region. Visualize a 4-petal lotus, the color is red. Breathe in. Oh. Bring your attention to the Swadhisthana chakra, the spinal terminus or the tailbone. A 6-petaled lotus, the color is orange. Breathe in. Oh. Bring your attention to the Manipur chakra behind your navel center. A 10-petal lotus, color is yellow. Breathe in. Oh. Bring your attention to the Anahata chakra, your heart center. A 12-petal lotus, the color is green. Oh. Bring your attention to the Vishuddhi chakra, your throat pit. 16-petal lotus, the color is blue. Oh. Bring your attention to the Ardha chakra, the eyebrow center. A 2-petal lotus, the color is yellow. Breathe in. Oh. And lastly, bring your attention to the Sahasrara chakra, the crown of your head. Visualize 1,000-petal lotus, the color is white. Make your Omkar as loudly as you can. Breathe in. Oh. And chill. Your eyes closed, do palming. Stretch your legs. Stretch your legs. Make a fist of your hands. हाथों की मुट्ठी बना लीजिए. Place them under your knees. This practice is to strengthen your kneecap. Slowly. Press your knees onto your fist. घुटनों को मुट्ठियों के ऊपर दबाइए. Press. Relax. Press. Relax. 10 times. Press your Knees, the back of your knees to your fist. Relax. 4, relax. 5, relax. 6, nicely. Press, press, relax. 7, relax. 8. Last 2 rounds on your own. Press the back of your knees to your fist. One last time. Try to maintain slightly longer. Press. Release. Now place your left leg slightly apart. Keep your palms by the side of your knees like this, and just rub your knees, the side of your knees, a little bit of your thighs. And same it down, just under your knee, just under your knee, below your kneecap. Gently massage to improve the flow. And you're going to change. Take your right leg a little apart. Press the side of your knee. Just like a dry massage. And then under your knee. Now fold your leg. Make a fist of your hands. Take your left hand by the side. Bring your feet closer. Now press your knees to your fist. दोनों घुटनों को मुट्ठी के ऊपर दबाएंगे. Press your knees to your fist. 2 more rounds. Press. Relax. Last time. Try to maintain. Now place your palms by the side of your knee. Now with your palms, press your knee inwards. Resist the pressure with your knee. हथेलियों को घुटनों के ऊपर, घुटनों को हथेलियों के ऊपर. You're giving an alternate pressure to your knee. Relax. 2. Press your palms to your knees. Resist the pressure with your knees. 3. Nicely. Press, press. Done. 4. Maintain slightly longer. Press your knees to your palms to your knees, sorry, knees to your palms. Release. Sit it up. We'll practice. Give Bhabanda a practice for your thyroid gland, for your tonsillitis. Keep hands in Padma Mudra. Stick your tongue to your upper palate. Close your eyes and feel the stretch below the tongue. Practice. Stretching the tongue out. Stretch your hands. Simha Mudra. Aligned pose. Again for your thyroid gland and to your tonsillitis. Breathe in. Stretch your tongue out. Take your head down. Take your head up, We'll do a slightly advanced practice. Khechari mudra. Fold your tongue inwards. Zuban aisi hai, so fold it inwards and insert the tip of your tongue inside. Keep your mouth closed. Fold your tongue. Zuban ko ki taraf fold karke. Insert the tip of your tongue inside your throat. Keep your breathing north. This is for Khechari mudra, a practice to strengthen your lung capacity and also when you're in a higher altitude. Fold your tongue. Suppose if this is your tongue, fold it inward. We'll practice neck rotation. Be careful if you have any discomfort to the back of your neck, you do only half a rotation. Others will practice full rotation. 5 rounds clockwise, 5 rounds reverse. Keep your hands in Padma Mudra. Gently take your head down, chin, chest. Breathe out. And as you breathe in, right, back, breathing out, gently roll your head down. The whole practice has to synchronize your breath. Give a good stretch to your throat as you take your head back. And a good stretch to the back of your head as you lower your chin to your chest. Close your eyes if you can. Reverse, counterclockwise. Complete your practice and just keep your eyes closed. That's opposite elbows. This practice is for your shoulders, your upper back, neck. A simple practice. Catch opposite elbows. Keep your head straight. Aankhein band. Start breathing. Gently take your hands up and back, slightly behind your head if you can. Give a good stretch to your abdomen. Breathing out, gently take your 2, breathing in up and back. Stretch. Breathing out. 3, close your eyes if you can. Head straight. Practice for our chest, for our armpit. Last 2 rounds. When you practice the last round, you're going to hold for some time. अच्छे से थोड़ा और पीछे. Try to catch with elbows. Last time, we're going to hold. We'll do a slight variation. Come up. And gently try to pull your right elbow to your left side. Right elbow to your left. Body को नहीं झुकाना है. Just elbow left, center, left elbow to your right. One more time. Right elbow to your left. Pull. Left elbow to your right. Last time. Left to your right. Just relax. Radial. If you can reach your toes. If you cannot reach, no problem. Catch any part of the leg. Try to reach your toes. Keep your head up. Close your eyes. This practice is to massage the abdominal organs. Now breathe in, breathing out. Gently take your head down, chin your chest, contract your abdomen. Take your abdomen in. Take your abdomen in. Raise your head up. Push your abdomen up. Chin. Take your head down. Chin chest. Contract your abdomen. Nice to take it in. Start breathing in. Gently raise your head up. Push your abdomen up. More round. Breathing out, head down. Abdomen goes in. Feel the tightness around the navel, the abdominal region. As you breathe in, raise your head up. Push your abdomen. Last 2 rounds on your own. Shwas ko ke gardan niche, feet under. Draw your abdomen in. Breathing in, head up. Push your abdomen up. One last round on your own. Feel the tightness. This is a good practice to massage the abdominal organs, improve the blood flow. Raise your head up. Try to complete your practice, complete the round. And then you go into Bhadra, the cobbler's pose. Back straight, check. Clap your knees. Stop your thrust. We'll do a simple spinal twist for 3 rounds and then do a regular forward bend. So stretch your hands in line with your shoulders, right hand on your left knee. Twist your left side. Look over your left shoulder. These are simple practices you can do on a regular basis to keep your spine healthy. Change your right side. Left, right. One last step. Try to twist a little more. Thoda sa और twist, a little more. Last time. To your right side, twist a little more. Complete your practice. Now we're going to do a forward bend. We'll do a halfway forward stretch, 2 rounds, and then do a regular full forward bend. Those of you who got back pain, do the first round, the first practice. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Start breathing in, stretch your hands. It's like going into Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stretch. Feel the stretch to your lumbar, to your shoulders. Now breathing out, do a halfway forward, stretch in line with your shoulder. One more time. This doesn't strain your back. Just stretch forward. Keep your hands close to your ears, hands in Namaskar Mudra. Do not cross your thumb, palms together. Come up. Now full forward bend. Stretch forward. Stretch. Try to bring your forehead closer to your feet. Slide your hands. Come up. One more time. Just practice as per your capacity. Each time you breathe, try to go down a little more if you have no back pain. Breathing out, stretch forward. Also, or jhukna, Chandrikantika, or maintain. It's an excellent practice for ladies for our lower abdominal organs. Your hands up. One round of palming, and then we'll do a backward. Hold your legs in the knee of this. Keep your feet hip distance apart. If you can, keep your palms facing your body like this, fine. Otherwise, keep them by the side. Raise your hips up. Press your feet down. Let your head hang behind. Release. One more time. Go round or karenge. 2 more rounds. We're going to practice. Raise your hips up. Down. Last time. Keep some distance between your knees, your feet. Paw mein antar, ghutno mein antar. Give a good stretch of toe. Keep your toes nicely pressed onto the ground. Release. Just relax. Please stand up. Take your time. You want to take a small water break. We'll begin the practice with a variation of Tadasana, palm tree pose. Take your right hand up, left hand behind. Now stretch your right hand towards ceiling, left hand towards the floor. Stretch. Haath kaan ke nazdeek. Keep your hand closer to your ear. Right hand closer to your ear. And chin. Chin. Left hand goes up. Stretch it up. You're giving an opposite stretch to your spine. So this completes one round. 4 more rounds. Stretch. Don't keep your hands straight. Chandrikanti haath seedhe. Don't like this. Just keep your hands as straight as you can. Practice last 2 rounds. When you stretch your shoulders, feel the stretch to your lower back. Complete your practice. If you're halfway through the practice, please complete. We practice a simple spinal lateral stretch practice, and then we go into an advanced practice. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Stretch your hands up. Each count, lateral bend to your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, those of you got knee pain, घुटनों में दर्द है तो next practice नहीं करना है. You can repeat the same practice with interlock fingers and do lateral stretch. Others, spread your legs. Turn your right foot out in your right knee. Stretch your left hand up and give lateral bend. Go down a little more. Change. Turn your right foot in, left foot out. Bend in your left knee. Place your left hand palm facing the sky. Gently take your right hand up. Keep your eyes open. Stretch, stretch. One more time on your own. जिनको घुटनों में दर्द है, don't do it. You can do a simple lateral stretch. Be careful. Just listen to your body signals. कहीं भी दर्द हो, so don't do the practice. If you again have knee pain, do a simple spinal twist pose like this. Others will try the advanced practice. Go into a squatting pose. Squat. Squat like that. Keep your heels slowly. Chandrikanti, slow. See if you can keep your hands on your knee. Watch like this. Usha, if you're not very comfortable, don't do the practice. Go simple spinal twist pose. Keep your hands on your knees. Take your right knee closer to your left foot. See, like turn your body to your left side. Give a gentle pressure to your abdomen. Come up. Okay. Left knee closer to your right foot. Twist turn your body to your right side. Center. Right knee towards your left foot. Change. Last time. See if you can sit in Vajrasana. Those of you got knee pain, do not sit in Vajrasana. Others just relax. Those of you want to practice Surya Namaskar, practice 3 rounds. Others can practice Tadasana, you can practice. Okay. Practice Surya Namaskar. Usha, practice Surya Namaskar. When you can, just practice with me. Try to bring your foot in between your hands. Practice slowly. चंद्रिका आंटी कुछ प्रैक्टिस करो, खाली नहीं बैठना है. If not anything, just do some Kapalbhati, deep breathing, hand rotation. Complete your practice and please lie on your back. Feet के बल लेते हैं. Lie on your back. Stretch your hands behind. Keep them nicely stretched throughout the practice. Gently take your right leg up to 30 degrees. Don't take it very high. पाँव को ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं आना है. Toes pointing towards the floor. पाँव के पंजे आगे की ओर. Gently down. Left leg up. 30 degrees. Toes pointing towards the floor. Down. Right leg. Left leg. Right leg. Left leg. Right leg. Left leg. Last 2 rounds on your own. A good practice at the end of the day to strengthen your legs, improve the blood flow. And a good stretch to your lower back as you stretch your shoulders. Complete your practice. Relax in Shavasana. Bring your hands back to the side of your mouth. We'll practice the variation of Ardha Pavana Muktasana. Feet together. Gently take your right leg up, fold it in the knee, clasp your right knee with your right hand. Right हाथ को right घुटने के ऊपर से या नीचे से, whichever you're comfortable. Take your right knee to your right side. Open up your pelvic joint. If you have neck pain, do not take your head. Others, breathe in, and as you breathe out, gently raise your head up. See if you can raise your left leg up. Head up, left leg. Slightly difficult, just maintain. Down, bring your left leg down, head down. One more time. Raise your head up, Gently raise your head and left glove just above the floor. Last time. Raise your head up. The right knee to the center. Take it up first. Just wait for some time. Repeat the push with the left leg. Raise your left leg. Hold it in the knee. Clasp the left knee either from above your knee or under your knee with your left hand. Open up your left side. Raise your head up. Gently lift your right leg up. Down. Two more rounds. Keep your left knee open up to the left side. Throughout the practice, raise your head up. Right leg up. I'm sorry. Down. One last time. Try to hold slightly longer. Raise your head up. Right leg up. Release. Lift your left leg up and gently bring it down. Well. And by the side of your body, slightly up from the body. Hold your legs and then knees together. Gently bend your knees to your right side. Feet on each other, knees on each other. पाँव के पंजे मिले हुए, घुटने मिले. And gently turn your face to your left. Center, knees to your left, face to your right. Two more. Right. Left. Right. Here. Now, those of you got back in, continue the same practice. If you practice, continue that. Others, bring your knees closer to your abdomen like Anamukta. Bring your knees closer to your abdomen, lift your up. Now, bend your knees to your right side. You get a little more stretch, twist to the back. Come to the center, bend your knees to your left, face to your right. Close. One more round. Knees to your right. Left. This gives a little more stretch to the lower back, side of your abdomen. Come to the center, release your legs. Fold your legs in the knees. Keep your hands by the side of your body. Raise your hips up. Release. Second up. Raise your hips up. Raise your heels up. Stretch your hands big. Release. One last round. Raise your hips up. Interlock your fingers under your hips. Stretch hands straight along the floor. Shoulder blades at the back come closer. Expand your chest. When you want to release, breathe in, and as you breathe out, press your hips to your hands. Just hold for a few seconds. Gently release your hands from under your hips, hips down, stretch your legs, and relax. And now practice leg raises, either with one leg or both the legs. Support your hands under your hips. If you have back pain, practice only with leg up. So, practice as slowly as you can. Feel the stretch to your lower abdomen as you practice. So, try to complete your practice. If you're practicing with one leg, try to practice with the other leg also. Slowly bring your practice to a flow. Turn to one side. Take the support of your hand. Before we begin pranayama, we'll practice Kapalbhati. We practice alternate nasal Kapalbhati. It's the same practice, but you practice with one nostril at one point. So just close right nostril, breathe out through left. Then you can use your ring finger, close left through right. If you're very comfortable with this practice, go increase your speed. Otherwise, go a little slow. Practice slowly. If you're not comfortable, practice slowly. If you're not still comfortable, do a regular Kapalbhati. Back straight, feet and feet. Stop your practice. Keep your eyes closed. Wait for your breathing to become normal. We practice Anulom Vilom Pranayama. We'll use the 3 bandhas, the 3 locks. Practice with me. We'll go a little slow. Close your right nostril. First 2 fingers at the eyebrow center. Gently, without any sound, breathe into left. Close left nostril. Keep both the nostrils closed. Now, chin to your chest. Contract your abdomen. पेट को अच्छे से अंदर की ओर. Contract your abdomen and contract your A muscle. Mula bandha. Feel like you're controlling your bladder. Gently raise your head fully upward. Open right nostril. Breathe out. Breathe in through right. Close right nostril with your thumb. Lock your chin to your chest. Contract your abdomen. Contract your elbow. उदाद्वार को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर लीजिए. Raise your head upward. Open left nostril. Breathe out. Breathe in through left. Close left nostril. Close both the nostrils. Lock your chin to your chest. Contract your abdomen. पेट पर से अंदर की ओर. Contract your anal. Raise your head upward. Open right nostril. Breathe. Breathe in through right. Close right. Close both the nostrils. Chin lock. Abdominal lock. Anal lock. Raise your head up. Open left. Practice 3 more rounds. Last 2 rounds. Nicely apply the anal lock, Mula bandha, as though you're controlling your bladder. Pull your anal muscles up. Complete your practice. Take your time. This practice to improve our breathing. Complete your practice. Once you're done with the practice, open your palms or your knees. Keep attention to your navel region. We're going to chant sound of the mantra Akar, an energizing sound. Take a deep breath in. Last round. Breathe in. Open your eyes. Lie on your back for a quick shavasana. Shavasana helps you to cool down your body, brings your body temperature, your blood pressure to normal. So it's important at the end of the practice to just relax. Just close your eyes. Surrender your body to the floor. शरीर को एकदम ढीला छोड़ दी. पांव से लेके सिर तक और सिर से लेके पांव. From your toes to the top of your head, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Just relax. Try not to move your body. Relax your right leg, the left, the right hand. Relax your left hand. Keep your back muscles loose and relaxed. Relax your lower back, the middle back, the upper back, the back of your neck, the back of your head, the top of your head. Keep your forehead relaxed. See that you carry no frown, no tension on your forehead. Keep your eyes gently closed. Relax your cheeks, nostrils, lips, chin, throat, chest, and the abdomen. Gently bring your attention from your body to your breath. Feel your abdomen rise up like a balloon as you breathe in. And gently as you breathe, feel your abdomen cave in into the spine. श्वास लेते हुए पेट ऊपर, श्वास छोड़ते हुए पेट अंदर. As you breathe in, the abdomen rises up. Breathing out, the abdomen goes into your spine. Continue this practice and keep your attention on the rise and fall of the abdomen with each breathing in and each breathing out. Keeping your eyes closed, become aware of your body. Gently move your toes, move your legs. Move your fingers, your hands. Stretch your hands behind. And gently bring your hands by the side of your body. Turn to one side. Take your time. Turn to one side. Gently sit up. We'll end this class with the Shanti sign. Let's pray for peace for everyone. Amritam Gamanam Sarvesham Svatir Bhavati Sarvesham Shantir Bhavati Sarvesham Purnam Bhavati Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavati Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sayam Yasanam Sugandhim Purivardhanam Purvaritavidabandhana Dhrityor Bhakshiyamamrita Shanti Shanti Hari. To palming 3 times. Thank you and see you all tomorrow.
Chitra had a small doubt, Chitra. You told us not to take the breath and hold it. Means we have to take a deep breath and we have to keep our chin touch to this.
This is
then afterwards we should not take the breath till the nadi, not till the deep breath. Because you were telling us to squeeze this one, abdomen also you have to lower it, you said, and you have to hold the renal also. So both if you have, then where that air will get stuck, it will come up to here only, throat only. Throat region will remain.
The breath remains between your body from your what you say the throat till the lower body.
Yeah.
So because you're close to all the what you say the points of release, you've closed your nostrils, you've closed your anal region. So the breath cannot go out. So this energizes the entire middle part of your body.
But you are trying to, you have to lower your abdomen also. Now you have to take the abdomen also deep inside, no?
You have to contract your abdomen. So the breath remains in the middle part of your body. So see, you do shift your chest. So the breath is inside your body. So you contract your abdomen, you contract your anal opening. So the breath is, there is no way the breath can go out of your body.
In between these two.
So the breath cannot go out of your body. The idea is to keep the breath inside your body.
Okay.
That is how it is.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Because I was wondering how to take it, means when you are asking us to lower both the things, means that
breathe in, contract, so the breath remains in your body. Breathe in, just hold. So the breath will be inside. Just practice that.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
We'll practice that again tomorrow.